Ay, kawawa naman yung ating broccoli mga loves. Kasi pag uwi natin galing Ireland, meron na siyang bunga. Tapos, may kumakain na sa kanya. Kawawa mga loves, we're a bit late. All of them, meron kumakain sa kanila. Look, oh, hindi siya healthy ba? Sayang. Sayang yung ating broccoli. I think hindi na ito makakain. Ito sana yung pinakamalaking broccoli natin. Meron ng bunga yung ating beans, oh. Next time, yung string beans natin, i-direct ko silang itanim. Kasi feeling ko mga palangga, ayaw nilang i-transfer. Hala, yung ating monsto, ang daming bunga na mga loves. Ito, oh, lalo na ito. Mag-harvest tayo. Wala to sa planong mag-harvest tayo ng monsto, pero nakita ko lang ba na ang dami pala ang bunga nila. Masarap to. Masarap to pang pang pansit. Hindi pa naman ako nagdala ng lalagyan. Kasi I was not expecting na meron tayong makukuha sa ating monsto. I-sprayhan ko lang din sila. Kukuha lang tayo ng paglalagyan mga loves, ha. It looks like it's gonna drop a rain in any minute. Wala ngayon si kuya na mag-ano sa wall natin kasi nagbigay kasi ng thunderstorm and rain ngayon. Kaya sabi niya hindi daw siya mag-walling. Fresh from the garden. Ito na nga pala yung ating yung sweet potato. Hopefully meron tayong sweet potato dyan. Right, maglalagay lang ako ng slug pellets para hindi kainin. Well, nandito tayo, isprayhan ko din tong ating pak choy kasi baka kainin na naman to. May kumakain na nga dito, oh. Sus, oh. Feeling ko mga palangga, itong ubas natin ready na. Mag-harvest tayo tomorrow, ng ubas and blueberries. Yeah, ito, oh. Yeah, I think so. Ready na sila. Tomorrow na natin yan harvestin. Tingnan nyo naman to, oh.
I'm making a snuggle fit. Oh.
Sus na po mga loves. Itong si Mr. walang pahinga. So, naglalagay siya ng ganito mga palangga. Kasi, yung ilalim niyan is hollow. Hindi naman siya hollow, but yeah, there's a bit of space.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
That's it. Little stone.
Lalagyan doon ng concrete dito.
We're underpinning the corners of the house. That's what we're doing.
Yeah, underpinning. That's the word.
Like pinning the house wife down.
Hey!
What?
Why are you pinning me?
Secret.
Secret. Lunchtime, Han.
Eh?
Lunchtime.
Oh, what's happening?
Huh?
What's happening?
11:20.
Oh, let me get this down, bottom. Come on.
I think it's on the other side, on the left side, Han. There's some stones on the bottom.
I know, I'm just trying to get them out. You see. If I make them tie like this, you see, the concrete will push them out.
Struggle tong paggawa ng extension eh. Pwede naman yung iba yung gagawa nito, pero ayaw niya kasi he can do it himself naman daw, kaya siya yung gumagawa. That's it.
Okay.
Nearly there.
Right to the bottom.
Right in the bottom?
Right, right.
No, not quite. Nearly there. There's still a little bit of gap, but
Can't have a gap.
you cannot have a gap?
The concrete will run out.
Okay.
That will be more better off. Could you just hold that still, innit, for a second while I just scrape out? Just, that's it. And let it go.
There's still a gap on the
Yeah,
side.
you just have to see where it wants it. Right, just hold that there again.
I think it's close enough.
No, it's not. More concrete will push out. There's a lot of weight in there, you see.
Why we have to put this concrete
We've
first?
got to shutter this to put the block up here because the concrete in here is only that deep.
Ah, okay.
It's not filled to the top with concrete, you know.
Ah, unlike this one will be filled of
This will be
concrete.
filled up to the bottom, up to this,
Ah,
basically. We have a big hammer right behind you.
the big hammer.
Just give me the hand.
Oh, gosh.
Right, I can live with that.
Yeah, we just need to put a post.
Because
Perfecto.
that's fine, you say, so.
Perfect. May nagpaparamdam at nagbabalik na naman mga palangga. Alam nyo kung sino? Ito na naman tayo. So, bumalik na naman. Nagpaparamdam na naman yung ex ni Mr. mga palangga. Mga 8 months na. Wala na yung text kay Mr. Ngayon, nag-text siya. Sabi niya kay Mr. na, "Hello, how are you? I'm back sa UK daw." Kasi most of the time, kasi nagbe-base na siya sa Australia. So, yun yung text niya na she's back in the UK for a few weeks daw. And alam nyo, sabi ni Mr. feeling niya, yung ex niya, sumaboy dito, dumaan dito sa bahay. Kasi si Kuya Guy, yung nag-wall sa swimming pool, sumumbong siya kay Mr. Sabi niya na merong car na huminto dito mga good 20 minutes daw. And babae daw. So, sabi ni Mr. ayun, parang dumaan to dito sa bahay. Iwan ko sa kanya, kung ano yung gusto talaga niya. Gusto lang siguro niya talaga makipag-keep in touch kay Mr. okay lang naman na makipag-keep in touch siya kay Mr. And then, sasabihin niya na, oh, hello, how's your wife? Feeling niya lang to, no? Nag-boiled ako ng egg kasi meron akong noodles dito. Shinram yun. Ito, oh. Nag-crave kasi ako nito. Ay, parang maubusan na tayo ng ano. Ng sabaw. Meron pa kaunti. Ilagyan ko din to ng kaunting spring onion. Yun. So, yun lang yung... Ay! Ano na pa naman yun? Uy! So, yun lang yung chika ko sa inyo. Hala, uy, mga maritis tayo, no? Sobrang maritis natin ba? Well, wala naman ako masusumbungan, kundi kayo lang. Kaya, hala, makinig kayo sa aking mga, ano, naghahanap ako ng lalagyan ng aking noodles. Ito na lang yung lalagyan ko. Hopefully magkasya. Ay. Napano na naman to. Ay. Let's eat.
Not see-through window. Let's come out and cut it.
We got a hair, mga loves. Ay, nagtago na. Or too late. Kanina, nandoon yan dito. Naka-display talaga.
Might come back again.
I'm a bit disappointed na.
I'll tell you if he comes back in a minute.